Good morning. This is Richard Munoz. I'm here on the American River and we're looking at the Folsom Dam. We're going to be exploring the Folsom and Nimbus dams this morning and looking at the impacts that dams have on people and the local ecosystem. The creation of a dam provides many benefits, but it can also have negative impacts on a local ecosystem. An ecosystem is a group of living things interacting with one another and their environment. Two major impacts that dams have on river ecosystems is they cause changes in the water temperature and they prevent flooding due to control of the river. Temperature is extremely important not only for fish but for every living thing in the water. Imagine if in your house you couldn't control how hot or how cold it was. Flooding actually played a very important role as well. It put nutrients back into the river and provided habitat, and species adapted to reproducing during that time. Some positive impacts of dams for people is they provide a stable water supply for drinking and for irrigation of farms. They provide hydroelectric power for electricity, and due to controlling the river, they prevent flooding, which allows for massive infrastructure like roads and public transit and residences. Now let's swim downriver to the Nimbus Dam. I'll catch you over there. Some of the negative impacts of dams on a local river ecosystem are changes in the water temperature, barriers to fish passage, and prevention of floods, which disturbs the ecosystem and natural processes that are essential for animals and plants. Various government agencies spend a lot of time, money, and resources to lessen the negative impacts of these dams. So we've discussed some of the positive and negative impacts of dams on rivers by looking at the Nimbus Dam and the Folsom Dam. Even though there's major benefits to a dam, there are negative environmental impacts. So the question is, and this is a question that you need to answer, is the price of those human benefits worth the cost of the negative environmental impacts?